the 1 hour time frame, you can see where I was looking to sell, right? That last up candle there, but they never got there. So maybe they might use this one to go down. Okay, they might use this one to go down, and I don't recommend taking this on your T40 either. Okay, because I don't trust the market condition for a funded account trade. Right, we do have obligation to respect risk. On your personal account, you can deal with that, but on a funded account, that's a different animal altogether. So we can use this last up candle. If price gets up there, if it does run you out, then this will be the one. So maybe it's an engineered liquidity, and then they will hit that one. So have those two levels on your chart. I'm gonna use entry, and then this one will be an entry. Okay, so if you take this one and they stop you out, you're gonna sell this one, and definitely this one should reject and come back down, because this will act as an engineered high. Engineered high means that they were trying to go for this, but they drop it down just to attract sellers in the market. And if they do sell, they're gonna place their stop losses above this high, and then they will go right back up again, run them out, and then drop. Okay, and that's what we call engineered high or engineered liquidity. So the bearish order block itself is here, and they've engineered that so that people will put their stop losses there, comes right back up. That's if they run this high, then you sell big time this one, right? Let's look at New Zealand. Hang on, let's go back to this. Obviously you'll be looking for your target objectives. I like this gap in here. I like that gap as a objective, right? So if you get a trade in here, look at that. Obviously again, your first TP should be this equal low. So hopefully they don't take out these lows. They give a pullback, and then we sell short to attack those lows. And it looks as if it might retrace, because we did have a break in market structure in here. You can see low, high, low, break. So it might retrace back up, right, before going back down again.